Good afternoon, beta. What's your name?
I am Tanisha from third year of BSc Physics Honors, and our topic is trash volt tech. Imagine turning garbage into electricity. Isn't this amazing? And our project is all about this, which converts trash into voltage, as the title says. So, as we know, in India, more than 10,000 tons of garbage is produced every day. This is very hard to manage this type of garbage, and also the non-biodegradable garbage, which cannot be dumped inside or which harms our environment. So to manage this garbage, we have invented an idea in which we will burn the garbage here in the rat trap, and this garbage and the heat of this garbage will be sensed by the solar cells as well as these sensors, which will produce the heat, which will absorb the heat, and this heat will help to glow these LEDs. The circuit of this is shown in that circuit diagram. In the circuit diagram, we have used LEDs for the detection of the light, diode, transistors, and this LED, and we have connected it to the battery here. And then we have used this converter, which will convert the small voltage here into the 230 volt of voltage, which will help to glow these bulbs. And these bulbs are of small voltage. When the flame is low, then these bulb will first glow up, and when the flame is high, then it will transform. These bulbs will start to glow. So this is basically our project, which will convert the garbage. It's like giving a second life to our garbage, which is considered as rubbish, but it's not rubbish. It is considered as a raw material, which can help in producing electricity and can help the environment to be a green and clean world. Thank you.